Clara's got her pink towel. Yeah, I love it. Stop bragging. Anyway, it matches just my personality. Okay. Alright guys, so today, Charlie and Clara are actually going on vacation. So they are going to Paris. So it's super exciting and fun. So we're going to be seeing the Eiffel Tower. Yes, we are. So, what do you guys want to do? Alright, let's pack. So they've got this really cool bag. Mom, I don't want to have the purple bag. Well, you can have the pink one. It's just a bag that you can put your stuff in because we're going to be leaving tomorrow morning, which is going to be really early in the morning. Oh, it has all pears on it. I hate pears. I'm surprised you've saged these for that. Stop being so rude. Oh. Right, do you want to use this one? I'm using this one now. Okay, you can use this one, so don't worry. No sage one, it's this one. So, for tomorrow night, he's actually got his pajamas because we're staying here for like a week, and he's got his pajamas. So he's got airplane pajamas. They're like my favorite pajamas. Yes, you can put them in here. And what else do you want to take? I'm taking this ball. Yes, he's taking a ball because he'll get super bored. So he's got a ball with him. We'll put that in here. So he's got his ball, his pajamas, and his clothes he's wearing right now. Clara is wearing her stuff that she's wearing, obviously, tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. And she's got her pajamas for tomorrow. These ones are like flowers, and she's got her bag. This is like a really cool holographic bag. I don't know why it has one thing though on it. What do you want to bring? Can I bring, let's see, what do you want to bring? Alright, what do you want to take? Can I take this brush? Yes, she's taking this really cool blue brush. There's the heart on it. Yeah, because I love brushing my hair. And what else do you want to take? We'll pack your pajamas, because we've got to pack your pajamas in the bag, so we need to do that. Good. Okay. And what else do you want to pack? Can I pack some makeup? Oh, she's obsessed with makeup. And, like, you have a crush on Holden, right? No, wait, don't. Oh, it's so annoying. Anyway, Holden's like your best friend. Yeah, I'm going to miss him for a couple of days, but, I guess he'll be hanging out with his girlfriend, Paris. Okay, what do you want to bring? Can I bring makeup? No, you cannot bring makeup. She loves makeup, guys. Ivy will probably be, like, using all the makeup. Yes, Ivy's obsessed. Well, Ivy's obsessed with the makeup. So, it's pretty, funny to see that she's obsessed with makeup, so... we also have this other little mirror for, like, the little ones. Like Rose and Rachel and Kendall. The more smaller ones. Do you want to... Can I take a nail polish? Can I take this grey colour? No, you cannot take the grey colour. What about this, eyeshadow palette? No, you cannot take that. What about perfume? No. What about this book? No. She's crazy. Do you guys want to take your towels? Guys, they have to take towels because they're going to be having a shower here and they need to. So, you know what? Do you want to take this towel? It's a girl white towel, Mum. It's like blue. It's like light blue. Look, it has all hearts all over it. It says baby alive. If Sage told me wearing that, she'd laugh at me. Oh, Charlie, stop talking about Sage. He has, like, always dreams about Sage. Oh, stop. Okay. Clara's got her pink towel. Yeah, I love it. Stop bragging. Anyway, it matches just my personality. Okay, you can pack that one in there. Yep. Alright, what else do you guys want to take? Is that all? Maybe we could take some food when you take your water bottles. Or do you guys want to have water when we get on the plane? Just letting you guys know, I will be doing a video. They actually have a really cool cinema at the where they're going. So they're going to go to the cinema. Plus, I'll be doing a video where they go to the hotel. And yeah, but I'll probably be doing like 2 videos, or then I'll just stop because it will get quite boring. But yeah, but it's gonna be a bit boring. But what else do you? Oh yeah, can we take some snacks from the fridge? No. So they're gonna take their bottles. Not our bottles, our drink bottles. Sorry. Do you want to go get it, Charlie? No, you can go down, Mom. Oh my god. See, your thing's getting out there. Okay, sorry. Your ball, I mean. Alright, guys. So we got their bottles. So we got Clara's. Hers is this really nice pink and blue bottle. And then Charlie's is green. It's for girls. No, it's not. It's for boys. Okay, just put it in your bag. Great. This is just so embarrassing now. Okay. We've got your bottle in here. We can just pack your bottle. Whoops, it's not fitting. We need to make sure it fits. Okay. Whoops, it's not fitting. It has to fit. Okay. There. Anyway, do you guys want to say goodbye to your siblings? We're only gone for like a week. Yeah, that's quite a long time. Do you guys want to say bye? Dude, what's up, dude? I'm gonna be gone for like a whole week, so bye. Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye. Bye, Clara. Bye. Have a nice trip, I guess. Bye. I miss you, dude. Bye. Close one of this. I mean, I kind of missed her, I guess. Kind of missed him, I mean. Clara, do you want to say goodbye to any of your friends? I don't have any friends. Yeah, you do, right. Say goodbye to one of your siblings. Alright, Chris is over here. Do you want to say bye to Krista? Bye, Clara. Chris is not even my friend. I know, but you should say bye to her. I don't want to say bye to her. Bye. Bye, Mom. Have a nice trip, I guess. Bye, Charlie. That wasn't easy. Alright, do you guys want a snack before you leave? Because it's actually, we're pretty much leaving right now, so I don't want to tell you guys, just kidding. We're actually leaving right now. I just told you guys. But do you guys want a snack before you leave? Maybe we can get a snack while we're driving to the airport. Alright, let's go. Put on this really durable light since I love my light shining on me when it's time to annoy my brother, and just turn it off because it's going to annoy him. Yeah, I don't like you putting on your stupid light. Oh, I'm going to go to bed. Just sleep in the girl's bed.